Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime.
1 2 1 2. Can you hear me okay?
Yes, we hear you loud and clear.
Good. All right, very nice. How was your weekend?
It was usually, and you?
Yeah, it was very good. Amazing.
Sounds good.
I think I took profit at the perfect time, because we are about to see some pullback because price has reached the weekly pivot. And let me show you what I mean by it. So on TradingView you can see here we have the daily and the weekly pivot. I'm not sure if price is going to break through the weekly pivot. Oh, sorry, that's NASDAQ. Haha, silly me. I was looking at NASDAQ. Anyway, so this is gold. It hasn't reached the weekly pivot because the weekly and the daily pivot is closely aligned. You can see at 2500. And yeah, price almost reached the resistance level at 25.25. Currently, it's still 130 pips away. But we're halfway through the ultimate target, the ultimate profit. So I decided to take profits, and that's what I'm going to do right now before it pulls back any more. Okay. I might. Yeah, I'm going to close down. That is closed. 1.5. Okay.
Ben and Angela is sell at moment. They did enter.
Oh, cheeky. And Pen as well. Very nice. So I booked most of the profits anyway, so I'm not going to enter into a sell. I'm going to just see how it plays out. Did you guys lock some profit?
Seems like they did. They are busy at collaborating at moment.
Mm.
Good evening, Thomas.
Hello. How's everyone? First day back. First day back already in profit. Amazing. Very nice. Talk to me. What's happening in the market today? Speak to me.
NASDAQ is rising.
That was a very nice spike, resulting in over 100 pips. Who's selling at this level?
I selling.
I'm not convinced that it's going to pull back over 100 pips. Gavin Weinfurtner buys only here. Very good. Good money today, Gavin, in it. Okay. Two lots, 2007. even the highest entry at 2. Yeah, I'm going to lock in another 1,000. Yeah, I'm going to lock in that. Just push back a little bit so I can close exactly £1,000. I have a fixation that I like to close almost to round numbers, so 500, 1,000, 1,500. Then I was pulled back to 830, the highest entry. And now it's 700. Is it gonna go back? What do you think?
You can close on 800.
Yeah, I could do, yeah. But 1,000 is always more round there. Bigger number in it.
Yeah.
How are you, Andre?
I'm good. I'm just starting a new job, so I'm trying to fix the schedule for trading also.
What is it you do?
Truck driver, but I drive a longer truck now.
You drive a truck.
Yep.
Sounds very a lot of responsibility.
Yeah.
Is it a big truck?
Yes. 25 meters.
What? Jesus. That's a long one.
I will send a picture in the Discord.
Let me see. Or in the general chat?
Yep.
I will find it.
Send it
Anyway.
now.
Oh, just listening now. Okay, let me see the big truck. Oh, Jesus Christ, that is a long truck. I wouldn't, well, I guess I could drive it, but there is a big responsibility. The reason I'm saying, because I have a friend whose father was working with a smaller truck, and he hit someone, a cyclist, in a corner in a city. And then he passed away, yeah. But anyway, good luck with the new job. Hopefully you don't have to work for so long, because you're going to be an awesome trader soon.
Yeah, I hope so. That's the plan.
Let's see, interesting. So, Ben just posted a sell, stop loss at 25.15. I'm going to hold on a little bit, because I'm not convinced that it's going to, you know, sell off. It could happen, anything is possible, but you know, why switch positions when we're in profit? And already booked some profit today. Yeah, £2,700 already booked. 2,700. If I close down the 800th one, it's going to be 3,500. 3,400. No, 500. Yeah, I closed down the highest position. So today, £3,540. Boom. First day back on the desk. The reason why I started the live later today, first of all, is because we already made profits, so I'm not going to, you know, go on live if we are in profit. The second is I want to see the market reaction when New York opens. Actually, Cornio just asked, can you check NASDAQ currently in buys, but it seems like the volume is decreasing perhaps because it's near the pivot. The reason why exactly, Corn was much faster than I could announce it. Yesterday the new iPhone came out, and the new iOS hasn't come out yet. It's going to be a week later because they delayed it. So, you know, all the new Apple products have been marketed yesterday or announced. And I'm not sure what you guys think, but I think that the new iPhone is quite disappointing. There is no new development. Yes, it's a bit stronger chip. It's the A16 or A18 or A12, whatever chip is. But you know, it's just the same as the iPhone 14 and 15, so there was no major development. So
How much?
my speculation today is that NASDAQ is going to sell off. And let me go to the main screen to TradingView. So because of this delay, my speculation, because of the delay of the new iOS, the release of the iOS, and the disappointing new iPhone, I think NASDAQ is going to sell off from the exact price level. What do you think?
I think it's possible. Also, the larger sentiment is also bearish right on NASDAQ.
Yeah, 40 minutes until the market open. New York Stock Exchange open. So I'm going to head in, and this is a live position I'm entering right now. This wasn't sent to the members. This is a new position I'm planning to open now. So I'm going to enter with a baby lot, only 2 lots on NASDAQ. As you see, new position just appeared, and I'm going to target. What is the target? I'm going to target the previous low, which is 18,311. So somewhere around here, targeting the previous low. The stop loss, well, I shouldn't really use a stop loss because it's such a small entry, such a small position or contract size. But I'm going to use a Y stop loss, so it's over 200 pips. But you can use it, you know, if you decide to enter, depending on your risk appetite. I would not enter with, you know, big positions because we have a market to open, and there's always volatility when the market opens. But generally speaking, I'm looking for sells on NASDAQ. Honeybot is asking why the sell on NASDAQ is because the new iPhone was disappointing. Gold is still holding. Yeah, so this is the NASDAQ position I opened just now. Let me just send it out. It's a small position, so be careful when you enter. If I'm not 100% sure in something, usually I reduce the risk and enter with a smaller lot. Okay. Let's see. Konyo, but if you check if just inverse fair value gap or imbalance on H4, I don't really look at those kind of things. So that's a different style of trading, the fair value gap and the imbalance on, you know, all of these things. So there may be, but I'm not looking at those. Peak investment. Sahayarati is asking gold buy and sell both side trading. Gold buy and sell both side trading. No, I wouldn't do that. It's just crazy. Watch my scalping on live. Gee, guys. Then you're going to be removed just now. Hide user on this channel? Absolutely. Go and do your advertisement somewhere else, brother. People already asking about my plans for CPI tomorrow. In due time, I'm going to tell you what I'm thinking for CPI. But for now, let's focus on today. One day at a time. Strange. Doesn't matter how much Very nice. NASDAQ is pulling up a little bit, but we have 8 minutes until market open. So let's see how NASDAQ is going to react to the disappointing release of the new iPhone. Gold is pumping up, still in very nice profits. Konyo, so if they cut the rates, does NASDAQ rise or fall? Not familiar with fundamentals. Technically speaking, it should be good for NASDAQ, so NASDAQ should pump based on rate cut. But the problem is that they've been talking about the rate cut for 2 or 3 months now. They only announced almost every trader is 100% they're going to cut 25 basis point at the next meeting next week. But it's only politics, so 25 basis point rate cut is most likely priced in already to the markets. So I would look into other fundamental things, because this is most likely priced into the market already by a lot. Islam Sagor, what is your opinion about gold might create a new high? Like all-time high, or what kind of high are you talking about? Ooh, gold is pumping. Cross 2550 or all-time high, anything is possible. So currently price is 170 points or pips away from the previous all-time high. Anything is possible, but let me show you something. So if I zoom out, watch the screen. If I zoom out, you see how many times it tried to break through the all-time high, the most recent all-time high, and it couldn't. There was a very strong resistance level at there, and I think the reason why gold highs are quite limited and capped is because is because of the all-time high. It's because it's priced in already to the market that the Fed is going to cut interest rate, and the mixed data. NFP 2 months ago was very weak, caused a massive meltdown on the markets. So I think investors and traders are looking into safer investment. So the money is going to flow from risk on assets to high yielding assets. So right now what you see on the market is that the money is looking for yield. The money is looking for a place, assets to invest in, and I think most likely it's going to be definitely government bonds. So it's the fixed income market which can offer the higher yields, and also the debt markets, the corporate debt, because you know bonds are on the debt market as well. It's debt asset. It's an IOU. Thank you for your comment. Anytime, brother. I'm here to help. Can we push the number of likes, please? I want to see 100. There's 124 people watching. Let's push it up to 100 likes today. And I'm going to invite my good friend Coben FX. Oliver Dubois, so investors are selling USD to buy 2-year bonds, but not in the US, brother. There is a website where you can track most of the yields on government bonds. It's called Coifin. I'm going to share the link. It's in the YouTube chat, and I show you live on the screen. So if you watch the screen, when you enter into Coifin, it's a very good data website. It is like a cheap version, a free version of Bloomberg or any terminal. If you go to market dashboard on the left hand side and you go to global yields, you can see, you can select any country's government bonds. Virtually all of them are available. But I selected them, you know, the biggest ones: UK, Australia, Japan, US, Germany. Well, they're not the biggest one, and the US, of course. So you can see that the yields are definitely falling. So after 2 years, 3 years of high interest rate period, the yields have started to fall. And right now, Japan is well, I'm not saying it's looking good, but because they started raising interest rate, it goes against the general trend. If you look at the US, UK, Aussie, France, all of them are reducing interest rates, so the interest or the yield is going down. Now, if someone would tell you that, okay, we're going to pay you less money for your investment, what would you do? You say, oh no, thank you, I'm going to take my money somewhere else. NASDAQ has opened. It reached the weekly pivot. I am in a sell, so let's go back into the live positions. Trade with me live. You can see gold is pumping, NASDAQ is dropping, and I'm going to enter with another sell position, a lot bigger, and I'm risking only £800. There's no stopping for gold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put NASDAQ and gold on the chart. 1 minute passed. NASDAQ is still pumping a little bit. It's going against my bias, which is a sell. The speculation here was the disappointing iPhone release. Gold is still holding over 100 pips. Olivier Dubois. So basically there is a rotation from risk on assets to safer assets because slowly US data, China slowing down as well, plus Trump-Harris debate, plus CPI tomorrow. Absolutely. Absolutely. And you touched on some very, very key points, which two of them actually is the CPI tomorrow and the president-elect debate, which is the second one this year. I can't remember. It's almost unprecedented. Since I'm trading, I don't remember there was 2 debates in 1 year or during one election. Okay, the next thing I'm going to look at is how the market opened on stocks. So what I'm going to do is go to TradingView. They have a where is it? The screener, the heat map I'm looking for. Stocks. Oh, Nvidia is up. Apple is down. So as said, I should have shorted the individual stock of Apple, but Nvidia is balancing out. Nvidia, Amazon, Meta, Tesla, these are the big, the part of the Magnificent Seven. So what happens is, even though I entered into sell on NASDAQ, because I was speculating on an Apple drop, which it did drop, but all the other companies, they outbalancing, which is shit. It's not good. So they outweighing, balancing out the drop in Apple. Interesting.
So Thomas, should we close the NASDAQ?
I'm going to hold it because I don't have too much money on risk or at stake, and I'm still, it's only 4 minutes into the New York Open, so I'm not going to jump in and out within 4 minutes. I'm going to hold it. You need to ask the question: can you afford to lose that money that you risked?
Yeah, I entered a small size, so.
And what is your bias? What is your bias on NASDAQ? Buy or sell, or are you just following me blindly?
I just followed you on this. Prime Minister.
Oh God, no pressure, no pressure. Now I'm going to hold the NASDAQ sell.
Okay, I'm with you.
On the other thing, if you're holding gold buys, I would definitely take profit now, and that's exactly what I'm going to do on the other position as well. I'm going to close 3/4 as well. So today's P&L so far is £4,603. That's a lot of money. Olivier is looking at a push down on gold because USD might be used as a safe haven again. I do agree with that cash is king during turbulent times. And look at that, NASDAQ is falling back 6 minutes into the New York trading session. So maybe it's going to work in our favor. Who's selling NASDAQ with me?
I am.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello?
I am Chu.
Good. It's very good. The more we sell, the lower it gets. The lower it goes. Oh, NASDAQ is in profit. Hit the like button, guys. Oh god. Olivier, something I don't quite understand. USD bonds went up this morning. Is it because investors are rushing to buy bonds because borrowing costs will go down, which will make new bonds less attractive? Let me analyze this question. So usually, can you specify USD bonds went up? Is it the yield or the price that went up? Because price of a bond and yield of a bond, they inversely correlated. So when yield is going up, price is going down. So when yield is going down, price is going up, and that's because of the supply and demand. The price, the price went up, yield went down. Yep, you're correct. Look at that, NASDAQ is bumping down. Very nice. Also gold is bumping down, so I think it was a perfect call to take some profit. Let's have a look on the heat map. Oh, Nvidia now pulled back a little bit. Let's have a look. It's very mixed. Apple is down, Nvidia Is it gonna be down? Amazon is still up, Tesla is still up. Gold did pull back a little bit. Is it an opportunity for re-enter? It could be. This price level. We put the magic Fibonacci on. Yep, I would wait a little bit more, and I think we're going to see some more movement up on gold. I'm so glad that I closed down the positions on gold. Took partials, I mean. Yes, Olivier. It looks like it was a pullback on gold. Look how nicely just pulled back 30 pips. Could be a good re-entry. Yes?
Sorry to ask, is there a correlation between gold and US tech, US 100, NASDAQ?
Gold has correlation with almost everything, yes. Do you know what's the main difference between... Who can tell me what's the main difference between indices, just in general, like let's call it NASDAQ, and gold? One of them is risk on, the other one is risk off. Risk asset, safe haven asset. So there's very little time when both go up. Because why if the stocks are going up, why would someone buy gold which doesn't bear any interest and mostly used for hedging or, you know, during crisis? Okay, we're 15 minutes into New York session. Not much happened. Absolutely nothing.
Probably everyone waiting CPI tomorrow.
Yeah, I think this is it for today, guys. Well, we did manage to catch that, you know, 120 pip pump on gold, which was nice. Varamihir is asking, is Bitcoin a risk asset? That's the riskiest shit of all time, mate. That there's no value. There's no intrinsic value behind Bitcoin. There's no assets, nothing. So this is it. What is the general P&L for you guys? Profit, loss, break even for today?
Profit.
No profit.
Good.
Profit. On profit for now.
Good. Okay, I booked the profits on gold. I'm going to hold NASDAQ sell. And next one up is going to be CPI tomorrow. Do you want to live trade it?
I wanna.
Yeah.
Well, let's gonna say everyone want.
Okay, if the number of likes on YouTube can go up to 100, we're going to live trade it.
Otherwise, it's gonna be Only members.
Not even members.
Oh shit. Guys, give a like.
Six, 40 likes missing, and then we're going to do a live trade for CPI. And those of you who are not following my Telegram on YouTube, I'm sending the Telegram link in the chat. Make sure you join the Telegram group. Oh, likes gone up. So we might have a live trading tomorrow.
Mass.
Andrew G, the OG. How are you, brother?
I'm okay, a little bit ill, but we're getting through it.
Oh, it's Tuesday. It's the weekend, isn't it? Too much party?
Someone infected me.
If it's itching or red, just go and see a doctor.
And how's your holiday? How's your time off?
Yeah, it's refueling,
Nice.
replenished mentally.
I know you must miss it, isn't it? Your fingers start itching.
What are we talking about now?
No. I'm saying when you're
trading.
Yeah.
Weirdly, I wasn't missing trading at all during this holiday or vacation, which is good.
Mhm. That's
You know,
amazing.
if you're doing it for 10 plus years, it's the same as any job. You get bored. You want to do something else.
Of course. Oh, that's good. That's good to hear.
Yeah, but you know, when I see the money going down on my bank account, I get more
That's what
motivated.
No, very nice. Very nice, honestly. Oh, the gold's giving a nice pullback.
I don't care. Book the profit already, so feel
Yeah.
free. But, you know, we still have this opportunity or probability that I drew up on TradingView. It could be a pullback. Many people are afraid of pullbacks, but a pullback is an opportunity to re-enter.
Pullback is a healthy sign, isn't it?
Yeah. The market is working in it.
Yeah. The most important thing is you've booked your profits and you can actually leave trading now and just continue with your day.
Yep. I mean, overall I worked about 3 hours today in front of the desk and made £4,600.
Yeah.
Of course, before tax. Yeah. I'm not sure what NASDAQ wants to do. Olivier, but you have to understand the market. That's the most important thing. Yeah, absolutely. But you can't always be 100% right. Sometimes. Have you heard about the efficient market hypothesis, Andrew? You must have heard because you're a finance student or econ student. Andrew disappeared. So that's from Eugene Farmer. And, you know, markets sometimes efficient, sometimes not. all comes down to psychology, what the market thinks, what traders and investors think, market sentiment. And you know, market sentiment is just like trying to understand your wife. Sometimes it's impossible. Let's see, did we hit 100 likes on YouTube? No, it's only 81, so there will be no live trading tomorrow. Anyway,
That's so sad.
guys, profits booked.
Yes.
Market is now going to be absolutely shite, in my opinion. So I'm going to reserve myself for tomorrow's big bang, which is going to be the CPI and then the presidential debate between Kamala Harris and former President Trump.
Well, debate gonna be before CPI because
yeah.
it's 2 a.m. in your time.
Oliver
to
Dubois,
midnight.
what I mean by that, Thomas, is our job as traders is to understand how banks trades. Traders digest macro and fundamental information. They are the ones that moves the market. Yeah, mostly yes, absolutely. Always follow the money. Look what the big players do and then try to do. But trade as the banks, as you see on Instagram for many traders. Guys, I'm gonna wish you a good day and see you all tomorrow for the CPI trading.
Have a nice evening. Bye bye.
And you. Bye bye. Sell. And guys, if you're still here, go to alphafx.eu or go to the AlphaFX public Telegram channel, link below the live in the bio. There is a discount of £199 joining fee. There's only one membership left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post the link, the Stripe payment link, into the YouTube chat. So if you want to join the Alpha community, there's one space left at this price, and there will be back to the original price, which the cheapest is £299. Thank you so much, and I wish you a good day. See you later. This is the Alpha FX.